Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. As always, if you need links to get to the jobs, Glassdoor pages, or timestamps for the video, that can all be found in the YouTube description box below the video. In today's video, we have some well-known companies like Zillow hiring OnTrac. They are a delivery service that delivers for big companies like Lululemon and Shein. We have two different data entry type jobs, and we even have a job that is paying $1,730 a week, which breaks out to $90,000 a year for you to kind of manage social media, manage those comments and those messages coming in, responding to those social media messages and comments. And they are providing the computer equipment you need to do the job, so you don't even have to have a computer as long as you have yourself and internet access. So hopefully we have a mixed bag, a little bit of something for everyone. But as always, if there's something specific that you're looking for, I can never make any promises, but always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you are looking for. Now, first up, we have the company Zillow hiring, the well-known real estate company. They have 2,200 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer experience consultant. Now, this is remote for the United States. I do not believe Zillow has any state restrictions, but Zillow as a brand has a bunch of other smaller services and stuff that they offer for real estate agents or people that are listing rentals or things on Zillow. And so one of those services is called Aereo. And so you will be working with photographers and agents as well as the customers, because when someone wants to list a property, whether it's for sale or for rent on Zillow, of course people want to see pictures and know what it looks like to know if they're interested in it. And so that's where you have to contract different people like photographers and all to go out and get those pictures so those listings can be put online. And so Zillow is really looking for somebody to just provide that customer support to the photographers and agent, kind of working with them, managing the products and processes through CRMs and Slack. So I'm not sure if their CRMs require any kind of a phone work, but Slack is like an online messaging type tool. So I don't know how much of this is just through online messaging and how much of this might be actual phone work. But you're just going to help understand and support Zillow's new product launches, staying on top of any product fixes or releases, and responding to customers, just helping them out, making sure that you provide all the support needed specifically for those photographers and agents. Now, this is remote work from home. Pay is going to be dependent on location and experience, but starts anywhere at $19.60 an hour and can go up to $31.40 an hour. And of course, no college degree is needed for this. You just have to be fluent in English with your communication skills, have at least 1 year of some kind of customer service experience. They do want somebody who has experience with different CRM systems, customer management systems, somebody who has knowledge of online software, relevant technologies. You can kind of learn quickly, navigate different multiple softwares at the same time. You do have to have your own internet connection and be resourceful. You can troubleshoot your own tech issues, so maybe you know how to Google and YouTube and figure things out for yourself. Now, next up, we have OnTrac hiring. Now, like I mentioned, they're a delivery service just like UPS or FedEx. They do deliver for some well-known companies, including Shein and Lululemon. They have 626 reviews with that overall employee satisfaction rating coming right in the middle at 2.7 out of 5 stars. I will like to point out, though, that a lot of the reviews that I was reading on this is more geared towards the actual delivery drivers not enjoying their job, but this is not a delivery driver job. This is a remote work from home job, so it might be a little bit different, but of course always read the reviews on any companies. But OnTrac is hiring a virtual work from home logistics dispatcher. They are specifically looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pay is going to be $18 an hour, and they're really just looking for somebody to help facilitate the independent contractor services for those drivers and all that is delivering those packages. So you're going to resolve any service issues, routing, or delivery issues. You're analyzing the freight volume in relation to the daily independent contractor availability. So if there's like 500 packages in this region that you're assigned to that needs to be delivered and you only have 2 delivery drivers, that's kind of a problem. You're just kind of managing all of that, making sure that you give orders out to those delivery drivers, basically dispatching them where they should go and what they should be doing for the day. You're also going to run some reporting and compile statistics and reports for those branch operations. Now, again, no college degree is needed. They just want somebody who has 1 year of dispatch experience, somebody who can be very detail-oriented, be a great communicator, and of course, work independently. If you're looking for a data entry job, ABC Legal Services is hiring. They have 379 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 2.9 out of 5 stars. And of course, they are looking for a remote work from home data entry specialist. Now, ABC Legal provides national throughout the United States legal filing services of legal documents. So they are really looking for somebody to review these legal documents utilizing online platforms and tools that have been developed by ABC Legal. You're using all of the internal systems that they give you and email, just double checking them, making sure that everything is complete, entering anything into the system that needs to be entered. And of course, you're going to work closely with the filing team to collaborate on projects and make sure that these legal documents, once they are fully complete and entered, do get filed to the appropriate legal system. So you are going to have to participate in ongoing trainings to learn different things as needed, and just research any errors and fix them as they arise. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and they do say no experience is actually necessary, but it is a plus if you have data entry experience or some kind of a tech experience using like different online tools and system. You do have to be able to clearly communicate in English, so reading, writing, and speaking English. Have great attention to detail, and you're going to have to perform repetitive tasks over and over again. So this might be a little bit boring, mundane task. You're checking some document, entering information into the system, checking another document, entering information into the system. So it's a lot of repeat work, but you do have to be able to type at least 50 to 60 words per minute. And pay is anywhere from $14 an hour up to $18 an hour. And even though they're hiring throughout the United States, they do want somebody who can work that 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday in the Pacific Standard Time Zone. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. Now, if you're looking for a high-paying social media job that is providing you with the computer equipment you need, then User Interviews is hiring. They do have a very high employee satisfaction rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. However, they only have 28 reviews, so please always do your own research before you give any companies your personal information. But User Interviews is looking for a social media and community manager. So they are looking for somebody to handle all of their community engagement by actively engaging with their user community, by responding to social media comments, social media messages, and all mentions across social media channels. You're really just responding to these people, having a conversation with them on social media, trying to build those relationships specifically with influencers in the broader community or their power users. And you might from time to time have to organize or even maybe host an occasional live stream on social media. But other than responding to those comments, they're really looking for somebody to help just create their all over social media brand visibility and engagement. So you're also looking at trends while you're on here responding to the comments and interacting with people. You're trying to identify any trends or opportunities that pop up, things that you can do on those social media pages or content that you can put out that's brand relevant that will help keep people engaged in conversations. So they're really looking for somebody who has experience of building content for like LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, or other different new platforms that are popping up like Blue Sky. And somebody who, of course, can be analytical, monitor and analyze social media metrics across the community engagement. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just somebody who has 3 years experience in social media management, community engagement, or some kind of related type of role, somebody who understands those different social media platforms. Somebody who has experience maybe writing like short form copy, so you can write small pieces of text or copy that's engaging. So you've really got to be creative, like have a creative mindset. And of course, you've got to be able to manage your time well. And they want somebody who's really passionate about the beauty industry specifically, because a lot of their online community is going to be beauty related. Best part about this job, though, is the benefits. Their base salary is $90,000 a year, which breaks down to $1,730 a week. You can get performance-based bonuses on top of that, making your overall yearly salary higher. They do give you a computer that is provided, so they give you all the computer equipment you need to do the job. They're also going to give you $250 on top of the computer to help get any other office supplies you need, and $50 a month for work from home stipend. So this can help pay your internet access or whatever you may need. And last but not least, we have one more data entry type role from the American Diabetes Association. Now, they have 484 reviews. They come in right in the middle at 2.6 out of 5 stars. So some people love them, some people hate them. But they are hiring a data services coordinator. So they are really looking for somebody to work with their financial division, help and coordinate basically just all of their data. So you're going to do a lot of data entry and assisting with just any data projects that they have, entering information captured into the organizational records, just making sure all of their financial data is entered into their computer system. You will have weekly production metrics that you're going to have to meet, but no college degree is needed, just a high school diploma. They do want somebody who has 2 to 4 years of data entry experience, somebody who can navigate around those different software systems, multitasking. So you've got to be able to use specifically those Microsoft Office systems, and they are looking for somebody who has past work from home experience. Pay is anywhere from $18.95 an hour up to $21.15 an hour. Now, I do want to note at the time of the recording and posting, this is a remote. It says nationwide. They have no state restrictions, and this position is currently accepting applications. So you can just hit the apply now button to apply. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. You can always feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Sharing is always caring, so please share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.